वो अपने इम्तिहानात पर तवज्जो मरकूज करने के लिए जिद्दोजहद कर रही थी।
She was struggling to focus on her exams. She was struggling to focus on her exams.
मैं आपको आखिरी बार खबरदार कर रहा हूँ।
I am warning you for the last time. I am warning you for the last time.
आपको बच्चों के साथ मुहतात रहना होगा।
You have to be careful with the kids. You have to be careful with the kids.
इसने अपना ध्यान सामने की तरफ मोड़ लिया।
She switched her attention to the front. She switched her attention to the front.
हर तरफ कागज के ढेर बिखरे हुए थे।
There were tons of paper strewn everywhere. There were tons of paper strewn everywhere.
अपने दोस्त पर इल्जाम तराशी ना करें।
Don't keep blaming your friend. Don't keep blaming your friend.
मुझे आर्ट क्लास के लिए एक कोलाज बनाने को कहा गया।
I was asked to make a collage for art class. I was asked to make a collage for art class.
हमने खानदानी तस्वीर ली।
We took a family picture. We took a family picture.
वो खुद को तसल्ली देते हुए कहती रही।
She kept telling reassuring herself. She kept telling reassuring herself.
उसने अपने दोस्त से मालूमात लेने की कोशिश की।
He tried getting information from his friend. He tried getting information from his friend.
वो जगह नहीं है जहां गलदान होना चाहिए।
That is not where the vase should be. That is not where the vase should be.
वो रिसाले का मुताला करने बैठ गया।
He sat down to study the brochure. He sat down to study the brochure.
मंसूबा नाकाम होने से पहले थोड़ी देर तक काम करता रहा।
The plan worked for a while before falling apart. The plan worked for a while before falling apart.
मैंने आपको काफी अरसे से नहीं देखा।
I haven't seen you for a long time. I haven't seen you for a long time.
मैं जानता हूँ कि तुमने उसे पहले देखा है।
I know you have seen it before. I know you have seen it before.
तलबा क्लास के पिछले हिस्से में खड़े थे।
The students stood at the back of the class. The students stood at the back of the class.
उस्ताद के गर्म जोशी से मुस्कुराने के बाद वो आराम करता दिखाई दे रहा था।
He seemed to relax after the teacher smiled warmly at him. He seemed to relax after the teacher smiled warmly at him.
करियर की तब्दीली पर गौर करें।
Consider a change of career. Consider a change of career.
इसे घसीटकर एक अंधेरी गली में ले जाया गया।
She was dragged into a dark alley. She was dragged into a dark alley.
इसने गुस्से से अपने लैपटॉप पर टाइप किया।
She typed furiously on her laptop. She typed furiously on her laptop.
खेल का इख्तिताम मायूस किन नोट पर हुआ।
The game ended on a disappointing note. The game ended on a disappointing note.
वो जिम की तरफ बढ़ा।
He headed towards the gym. He headed towards the gym.
मैं बस घर ले गया।
I took the bus home. I took the bus home.
आपका लिबास तकरीब के लिए बेहतरीन है।
Your dress is perfect for the event. Your dress is perfect for the event.
मशीन सिर्फ छूने पर चालू होती है।
The machine is only activated when touched. The machine is only activated when touched.
नवादिरात इमारत के अंदर छिपे हुए हैं।
The artifacts are hidden within the building. The artifacts are hidden within the building.
मैं आजादाना घूम फिर नहीं सकता।
I cannot move about freely. I cannot move about freely.
शिगाफ से रोशनी बह रही थी।
Light streamed through the crack. Light streamed through the crack.
बच्चे खौफ से हर तरफ देख रहे थे।
De kidsverlooking eventuele in awe. De kidsverlooking eventuele in awe.
हमें आपको इस अमल से गुजराना होगा।
We have to let you go through the process. We have to let you go through the process.
वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता शोर की तरफ बढ़ा।
He moved slowly toward the noise. He moved slowly toward the noise.
मैंने आहिस्ता से मेज पर किताबें मुरतब की।
I gently compiled the books on the table. I gently compiled the books on the table.
इसने सर को हल्की सी हरकत से इशारा किया।
He signaled with a slight movement of his head. He signaled with a slight movement of his head.
कागज बोतल के नीचे चिपका हुआ था।
The paper was stuck to the bottom of the bottle. The paper was stuck to the bottom of the bottle.
इसका ताल्लुक अपने बास से है।
She is related to her boss. She is related to her boss.
मेरी नई कार साबिक़े कार से ज्यादा तेज चलती है।
My new car moves faster than the former car. My new car moves faster than the former car.
मेरे पास इस मुलाकात के लिए आज का पूरा वक्त है।
I have the whole of today for this meeting. I have the whole of today for this meeting.
उसने अपने आदमियों से कहा कि वो हरकत ना करें।
He told his men not to move. He told his men not to move.
परिंदा नजरों से ओझल हो गया।
The bird vanished from sight. The bird vanished from sight.
वो दोपहर 2 बजे के करीब पहुंचे।
They arrived around 2 in the afternoon. They arrived around 2 in the afternoon.
इसने लिपटे हुए तहफ़ को तहखाने में मुंतकिल करना शुरू किया।
He started moving the wrapped gifts to the basement. He started moving the wrapped gifts to the basement.
इन्होंने अपने उस्ताद की बेइज्जती की और सजा दी गई।
They disrespected their teacher and got punished. They disrespected their teacher and got punished.
मीटिंग के दौरान माइक्रोफोन की जरूरत होगी।
The microphone would be needed during the meeting. The microphone would be needed during the meeting.
अगर वो आज काम पर आती तो मैंने देखा होता।
I would have noticed if she came to work today. I would have noticed if she came to work today.
जूते जोर की आवाज से गिरे।
The shoes fell with a loud noise. The shoes fell with a loud noise.
इसके डॉक्टर को एक नए डॉक्टर से तब्दील किया जाएगा।
Her doctor would be replaced with a new doctor. Her doctor would be replaced with a new doctor.
कुत्ते ने अपने मालिक को देखकर रोना छोड़ दिया।
The dog ceased whining after seeing its owner. The dog ceased whining after seeing its owner.
इंजीनियर्स ने ये मंसूबा 1 साल में मुकम्मल किया।
The engineers completed the project in a year. The engineers completed the project in a year.
इन्होंने डिवाइस को नीचे कर दिया।
They powered down the device. They powered down the device.
मैंने कॉल खत्म की और क्लास की तरफ चल दिया।
I ended the call and walked to class. I ended the call and walked to class.
वो गाड़ी की दूसरी तरफ टेक लगाए बैठी थी।
She was leaning on the other side of the car. She was leaning on the other side of the car.
वर्जिश करने से फायदा होता है और आपका जिस्म अच्छा होता है।
Exercising pays off and does your body good. Exercising pays off and does your body good.
मैंने दरवाजे पर एक आदमी को खड़ा देखा।
I saw a man standing in the doorway. I saw a man standing in the doorway.
तलबा आहिस्ता आहिस्ता स्कूल से मुंतशिर हो गए।
The students slowly dispersed from the school. The students slowly dispersed from the school.
इसने अपनी माँ को थाम लिया।
She held on to her mother. She held on to her mother.
मुझे मुल्क बचाने का आइडिया आया।
I came up with an idea to save the country. I came up with an idea to save the country.
मैं हार मानने से पहले एक लम्हे के लिए परेशान था।
I worried for a moment before giving up. I worried for a moment before giving up.
टेबल पर फोन वाइब्रेट हुआ।
The phone vibrated on the table. The phone vibrated on the table.
डाकू भागने लगे लेकिन पकड़े गए।
The robbers made to run but were captured. The robbers made to run but were captured.
बिल्ली दर्द से बिलकती रही।
The cat kept mewling with pain. The cat kept mewling with pain.
मेरा ख्वाब एक पेशावर तैराक बनना है।
My dream is to become a professional swimmer. My dream is to become a professional swimmer.
मेरे वालिद साहब ने मेरे लिए जो जूते खरीदे हैं वो देखे।
Check out the shoes my daddy bought for me. Check out the shoes my daddy bought for me.
घर जरा आगे पड़ा था।
The house lay just ahead. The house lay just ahead.
वो भी आरामी से अपनी सीटों पर बैठ गए।
They shifted uncomfortably in their seats. They shifted uncomfortably in their seats.
वो इससे हट गया।
He shifted from her. He shifted from her.
आखिरी लम्हे में हवाई जहाज रुक गया।
The airplane stopped at the last moment. The airplane stopped at the last moment.
वो मेज के दूसरे सिरे पर नमूदार हुआ।
He appeared at the other end of the table. He appeared at the other end of the table.
वो डरते डरते सोफे पर लेट गई।
She leaped onto the couch in fear. She leaped onto the couch in fear.
मैं जल्द अज जल्द तहकीकात शुरू करूंगा।
I will start investigating as soon as possible. I will start investigating as soon as possible.
इसने हवा के साथ गाना गाया।
She sang to the wind. She sang to the wind.
सेमिनार 2 घंटे की ताख़ीर के बाद शुरू हुआ।
The seminar started after a 2-hour delay. The seminar started after a 2-hour delay.
इसने मशीन की शिद्दत में इजाफा किया।
She increased the intensity of the machine. She increased the intensity of the machine.
इसने सफेद कैनवस पर कुछ नहीं खींचा।
He did not draw anything on the white canvas. He did not draw anything on the white canvas.
परिंदा अपने पर खड़खड़ाते रहा।
The bird kept flapping its wings. The bird kept flapping its wings.
वो अपनी किताबें लेकर वापस चले गए।
They went back for their books. They went back for their books.
मैं तेजी से दाएं मुड़ा और उसे दीवार से टेक लगाए देखा।
I turned right sharply and saw her leaning against the wall. I turned right sharply and saw her leaning against the wall.
बदमाश शर्म से चीखा।
The bully cried out in shame. The bully cried out in shame.
मैंने अपनी मोटरसाइकिल पहाड़ी पर चढ़ाई।
I drove my bike up the hill. I drove my bike up the hill.
इसने उसकी कॉल को काट दिया।
She hung up on him. She hung up on him.
मैंने दोपहर के खाने के दौरान खाने के लिए स्नैक खरीदे।
I bought snacks to eat during lunch. I bought snacks to eat during lunch.
यहाँ किसी हमले के आसार नहीं थे।
There were no signs of an attack here. There were no signs of an attack here.
बाइकर ने रफ्तार कम की और जाए वक़वा की तरफ पीछे हट गया।
The biker slowed down and backtracked to the scene. The biker slowed down and backtracked to the scene.
घर के करीब एक गड्ढा बन गया था।
A puddle had formed near the house. A puddle had formed near the house.
ट्रक एक जोरदार आवाज से रुक गया।
The truck came to a screeching stop. The truck came to a screeching stop.
मुझे स्कूल की सरगर्मियों में हिस्सा लेना पसंद है।
I enjoy participating in school activities. I enjoy participating in school activities.
वो रात गए तक काम करती रही।
She was working late into the night. She was working late into the night.
वो काम पर वापस आ गया।
He got back to work. He got back to work.
बरात परम लाइट्स बंद कर दें।
Please turn off the lights. Please turn off the lights.
मैं जानता था कि वो कुछ करने वाला है।
I knew he was up to something. I knew he was up to something.
इसे लगा जैसे वो नाकाम हो गया हो।
He felt as if he was a failure. He felt as if he was a failure.